Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall WinSCP and remove saved sessions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall WinSCP, start by closing the application if it is currently open. Open the Start menu on your Windows computer. Type Add or Remove Programs in the search bar and press Enter. In the list of installed applications, scroll down to find WinSCP. Click on WinSCP to select it. You will see an option to uninstall. Click on this option. Follow the prompts in the uninstallation wizard. Once the uninstallation is complete, confirm that you want to remove the application. Now that WinSCP is uninstalled, let's remove the saved sessions. Open the File Explorer on your computer. Navigate to your user profile folder. This is usually located at c:\users\your username. In your user profile folder, locate the App Data folder. If you don't see it, you may need to enable viewing hidden items in the File Explorer. Within the App Data folder, go to the Roaming folder. Find the folder named WinSCP. Right-click on this folder and select Delete. Confirm the deletion to remove all saved sessions associated with Win. You have now uninstalled WinSCP and removed any saved sessions successfully. For a clean system, consider checking your recycle bin and emptying it if desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.